Welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Meghalaya observes World TB Day 2025. KSU plans to seek political support for removal of NEHU Vice Chancellor. Gatake Committee receives report on illegal coal mining inquiry. State grapples with a rising drug addiction. And KSU urges state government to monitor agencies exploiting youth. And now for the news in detail. Meghalaya observe World TB Day 2025 at Ususutham Auditorium with the theme Yes, We Can End TB, Commit, Invest, Deliver. Health Minister Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, the chief guest, congratulated officials for completing the 100-day TB elimination program and reaffirmed the government's commitment to intensifying TB campaigns across the state. The event also highlighted new initiatives and awarded the best performing districts.
In the last 100 days, we have screened extensively across the state, and in just 100 days, we have diagnosed 823 TB cases in this 100 day.
The Kasi Students' Union announced plans to seek the support of the state political leaders to pressure the centre into removing NEHU Vice Chancellor Prabha Shankar Shukla to resolve the ongoing stalemate. The KSU General Secretary Donald V. Thaba stated that they would meet the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Cabinet Ministers, MPs and other concerned leaders to address the centre failure to act on the demand. Thaba emphasized the union's firm stance against the VC's return to the campus, calling it shocking that Shukla is still attempting to re-enter despite widespread opposition.
Approach ya hikmat kejongi dari dulu chief minister kini cabinet ministers member of parliament beri baru higi hikmat kemudian kejeng kecil bah dihabban bersu dihabban rakyat kini kejeng dawa kejeng kami isu tentang kejeng dawa yang student sekolah di kejeng dawa jauh apa yang universiti nomor umlong fit benda nak ski di benda nomor dor benda rak dan beri pada bodan sisa kata kejeng terang bandri berkentiu ya kan NEHU kumbah kakiu kaki kuat di pemerintah.
The retired Justice Gatake Committee has received the inquiry report into allegations of illegal coal mining and transportation. Justice Gatake informed the media that the government has instructed the Deputy Commissioner of South Garo Hills to conduct a field visit and submit a report. The Commission has also requested an aerial survey of coal blocks in 4 coal producing districts.
My mandate given by the High Court was implementation of the Supreme Court direction and the NGT's direction. That means to oversee the auction of inventorized coal and to make an attempt, rather to, to stop the illegal coal mining activities, which includes the mining as well as the transportation.
As the drug problem escalates in the state, experts emphasize the need for medical interventions alongside other measures to tackle addiction as a disease. Dr. Sandy Aim, Director of Suncare Rehabilitation Centre, highlighted the overburdened rehabilitation centres and called on the state government to establish more de-addiction and rehabilitation facilities to effectively address the increasing number of addicts.
Rehab centers probably need to do much more. And we need more rehab centers all across the state, all across the region, everywhere you go. See, the unscrupulous people are opening drugs rehab centers which are substandard, to say the least. Sometimes disastrous results, but most of the time they come back with good results.
The Khasi Students' Union has called on the state government to monitor agencies exploiting youth with promises of jobs or free education. The appeal follows the tragic death of 2 students from the state due to food poisoning in Mandya, Karnataka. KSU General Secretary Donald V. Thaba proposed the creation of a government portal to track individuals moving outside the state for work or education, ensuring a better oversight of such groups and safeguarding the welfare of the youth.
Aba idan gino ki groups marngi ibu na ki agencies ki basi pa ki samla ki jungi untang ban puli ni rewat ban lik dreiru sabar jong state pateng teng ingat ki apot ki ba kim ki ba jinjar ki ba ei ki ba ki sakular kalong mar kong kamde kong tengah serai ka government ka ban monitor bhai kini ki groups ni ki organizations ni ki agencies ki ba trei kini ki jakam ramar ba teng di syukular tamanyo toy ledi simet ni ki agenda ki jongki mereka mentoy siapa yang diberi ujungnya.
Assam Rifles celebrated its 190th Raising Day today in Shillong. The event included a tribute at the War Memorial, where Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera, DG Assam Rifles, and all ranks honoured the brave personnel. The ceremony recognized the contribution of the force in combating insurgency in the northeast and Kashmir. A key highlight was the presentation of the prestigious DG-AR banner for 2023 and 2024, with 4 Assam Rifles taking top honours, followed by 3 Assam Rifles and 36 Assam Rifles. The Assam Rifles also celebrated achievements in 2024 and 2025, including awards, citations and impressive performances in sports. Ribhoi district observed World Tuberculosis Day today, marking the successful conclusion of its 100-day TB elimination campaign. Organised by the district administration under the theme, Yes, We Can End TB, Commit, Invest, Deliver. The programme celebrated significant progress in TB control with a decrease in new TB cases. A major milestone was the certification of 60 villages as village TB free. Nongpo MLA Meral Bond's aim underscored the importance of community participation and collective action in eliminating TB, marking a significant step towards a healthier future for residents.
Ending tuberculosis, which is one of the deadliest infectious disease that has occurred in mankind. And we have seen today positive effort, positive response from the system, which have led to the success of different initiatives and programs that has been initiated by the central and the state government.
The Indian national football team will face Bangladesh in a crucial third-round match of the AFC Asian Cup Saudi Arabia 2027 qualifiers at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Polo tomorrow. Coming off a 3-0 victory over the Maldives in an international friendly at the same venue, India's coach Manolo Marquez emphasized that the team's approach will remain consistent regardless of the opponent. Bangladesh coach Javier Gabera expects a tight match and aims to challenge India. India is in Group C alongside with Hong Kong, Singapore and Bangladesh, with the top team advancing to the 2027 Asian Cup.
Not every country can stop the competition. If they stop the competition, better for them, because they had more time to prepare the game. They spent I don't know how many days in Saudi. Better for them. But as a national team coach, when you arrive to this job, you know more or less that you won't have too many days to train.
We know that the record is not the best. We know that since 2003 we haven't been able to to win against India, but again, we are very confident that we are stronger than ever, and at least since I'm here, this is the strongest squad we have ever had, and not only performance-wise, but also mentally we are.
The district-level industrial exhibition organised by the District Commerce and Industries Centre of West Khasi Hills District was inaugurated today at Tirot Singh Memorial Hall, Mairang. The event, aimed at promoting local businesses and skilled individuals, was inaugurated by A. Nongbri, Additional Deputy Commissioner of East and West Khasi Hills, with other key officials in attendance. The two-day exhibition showcased a wide variety of locally made products, giving local entrepreneurs a platform to display their talents. The event also highlighted government support programs aimed at fostering self-employment and boosting economic well-being in the region. The body of a man who jumped into Umam Lake on Sunday was recovered today. Eyewitnesses and family confirmed that Pritesh Dep, a resident of Laban, Shillong, had jumped into the lake near the main bridge around 1:50 p.m. Reboy police have initiated an investigation and are completing the necessary formalities. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius, relative humidity 28%. In Shillong, minimum temperature 10.3 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 20.8 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 75%. And in Jowai, minimum temperature 14 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, and relative humidity is 41%. And forecast into Tura indicate that dry weather is likely to occur in most places, whereas in Shillong and Jowai, light to moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. And now for the headlines once again. Meghalaya observes World TB Day 2025. KSU plans to seek political support for removal of NEHU Vice Chancellor. Katake Committee receives a report on illegal coal mining inquiry. State grapples with rising drug addiction. And KSU urges state government to monitor agencies exploiting youth. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.